Let's take a look at what we get when we try to solve the intersection of two lines. So suppose I'd like to find the intersection of the lines y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals negative 3x plus 6. To find the solution, we're going to do this both algebraically and graphically. Algebraically, since each line is written in the form y equals, we can set the right sides of the equation equal to each other. Doing so gives us 2x plus 1 equals negative 3x plus 6. And if I solve the resulting equation, I get 5x equals 5 or x equals 1. Now remember, I need not only the x but the y, so I substitute this x into either equation to obtain y. So if I substitute into the y equals 2x plus 1, I get y equals 2 times 1 plus 1, or 3. So the point of intersection is the point 1, 3. I've given the steps for how we do this graphically. You might want to refresh your memory as to how to do it if you have not done an intersection in a while, or maybe if you've never done it. So remember to do it graphically. We would turn on our calculator, press the y equals key, and then type in the left-hand side of the equation into our y1. So we'd have y1 is 2x plus 1, and then type the right-hand side of the equation, y2 equals negative 3x plus 6, into our y equals. We'll graph those, and I'm going to graph them by pressing the zoom key and choosing zoom standard. And in this case we're lucky because we do get the intersection in the window. So we look at the graph to see if y1 and y2 intersect in the window. If the intersection occurs outside the window, you might need to adjust it so as to include the intersection. To find the solution, press the second key, followed by the trace key, and choose number 5, intersect. To complete the process, press the enter key twice, and then arrow close to the solution using the left and right keys, and press the enter one last time. Some of you know that you can often just go enter, enter, enter. You don't have to go enter, enter, move, and then enter. But this is a good way to get into doing it. Enter, enter, go near the answer and press enter. The answer is the x value, not the y value, just the x value. Now notice, not every equation will have a solution that's a nice integer. If it's not a nice integer, you should check to see if you can write the answer as a fraction. This is done by returning to the home screen, and if you don't remember how to do that, it's the second key followed by the mode key, and then you press the xt theta n key, which is located near the top of the calculator. Then press the math key and choose number 1, arrow to fraction, and once you press the enter key, the fraction will appear if there is one to be used. And that's what you should use, more than an ugly looking decimal.